Titi.
Boy, I got a rumor. They said I got drip. I'm like a fish.
Ayo, what up, your boy Ep4? I'm back with another shine this and we'll cover some figure to buy it show. Okay, I just wanna say kusho lukhulu ke mbafethu ukuthi ngihambe ngaze ngafika kule ndlela engiyona ngihambisana nani legend bafethu. Funa unithembise nje ukuthi lukhulu liyeza. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Always. Ayo, what up, your boy Ep4? I'm back with another shine this and we'll cover some figure to buy it show. I'm here with
Spelele mfethu wami Mbuyizi.
Okay, Wafethu, I'm here with Spelele, Wafethu. Okay, so Spelele, what is the highest amount that you've ever spent on a date?
300 mfethu.
300.
Yeah, McD.
McD.
Sure.
Samchoka leyo muntu leyo.
Yeah, usekhona namanje.
Hayi showcase jam. Awe, so tell me Taki, uqonda ukuthini uDC lo lapha ku Washington DC?
Yo, ngijwa kuyizopopala empahla le.
Ukucabanga kwakho njalo.
Is it a democratic country or what?
No, uqonda ukuthi District of Columbia njalo yabo.
Oh,
Alright, sike machi. So tell me uqonda ukuthini uWWW?
hey, WW Smackdown or what? What? Wild web, yeah, sure.
Away, thank you njalo. So best advice would give about some jolly njalo.
Hey bafethu. Into engayisho wethu ukuthi ungene yabo ungene ungangeni ngekhanda bafethu ungene nje ushiya space esincane
Ungene ngamaqakala yabo.
Yeah, ngamaqakala oba ihlezi ikhona ispace face okuphoxeka.
Awe njalo. So yiphi message ongathanda ukuyithumela to ex yakho njengamanje?
Ex yami. Ayi ukuthi wethu uma ihamba emgwaqeni iqalaze kwa left iqalaze kwa right because wethu ngiyeza kuyafika ngemoto noma yinini.
Akorezi jama mfethu indaba akushayela umuntu wemoto nomsowenzela nje usimela ayisole na abone nje improvement.
Yeah, bese ngishayela umuntu wemoto bese iChina cabanga.
Talo. Sorry.
Nikala mpepesa machi. Okay, awe dog, please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangakuthola khona dog.
Bese Instagram ngithola TikTok vethu siphelele 705.
Spelele 705.
Sure.
Awe stay blessed machi eh.
Okay.
Correct showcase. Ayo, what up, it's your boy Ep4? I'm back with another Shandis and we'll cover some figure to buy it show. I'm here with
Nokulinda Kwabe,
Yeah, first I'm here with Nokulinda first uqonda ukuthini SABC mama.
South African Broadcasting Corporation.
Broadcasting Corporation.
Yes.
Awucabanga ukuthi channel or commission?
I don't think so.
Alright. Uqonda ukuthini uWWW?
www. I'm changing the questions now.
Uqonda ukuthini?
World Wide. Can look at
Oh, sure. World Wide Web mfethu. Okay, do you think ukuthi as umuntu esifazane kumele umkhiphe umjithimisa ku dates?
Well, yeah.
Why?
Since we're partners, so I think it's first if now share something. Only if naye yabo ekhona kushare la khona. So
Always. Okay, feel kanjani njengoba kuwina isasko?
heartbroken.
Why?
I wanted to go to win the EFF because I'm support EFF, but yeah, it's fine.
Okay, so bona ngoshintsho la welithembisayo ne.
Kahle so sibone ukuthi basiphatheleni.
Okay, who's the deputy president of South Africa?
Who?
Deputy president of South Africa.
Who is the deputy president of South Africa?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Wamanje.
Amanda.
Hello kunjani Paul Mashatile first. Paul Mashatile. Abanye bagcine uDavid Mabozo. Okay, mhlawumbe last question ngawo ukuthi what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
It's PMB.
PMB ne?
Yeah.
Always. Okay, but please shout out to Instagram abantu laba ngikufollowa khona na TikTok.
On Instagram, yeah, it's probably Nokulinda. On TikTok, it's Nokulinda. Also on Facebook, Nokulinda Kwal.
Always okay. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mama ebonisolile.
Thank you.
Always. Okay, sicela si Yo, what up? It's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll cover some figure to ban it's a show. Okay, I'm here with
Sandeka.
and
Mondays.
okay, our first impression Sunday and Mondays our first. Okay guys, first question now is conducting SAPC.
South African broadcasting channel, yeah.
Wait, now go same thing.
Same thing.
Okay. Second question now is do you believe it's mchitsimele keep me so good days? Why?
Hayibo ngobani?
Ngoba niyathandana nje mfethu.
Kodwa phela mela beje, akumina akumela abeje. Ngobani?
Okay. Okay, ngokwakho
Hayi buyakhisho mina ngamkhipha mina kuyadependa phela kodwa.
dependa kwini.
Depend ukuthi hayibo ke ngikhiphe phela umuntu ongenzi lutho umuntu mitshwalo ntontoni.
Always. Okay, who's the deputy president of South Africa currently? Deputy president.
Angazi.
Wena?
Hayi angazi.
Okay, ngokugcina wakho wagcina kuba.
Hayibo saselapha indaba zepolitiki.
Tell you right now, we don't care.
Okay, Paul Mashatile ba first deputy president abo. Okay, what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
PMP.
PMP first. Okay, uqonda ukuthini www?
Kodwa khona website lapho. Angazi ubani kodwa website.
Wena?
Hayi, angazi shem.
Okay, it's World Wide Web. Website.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, first neyazi lepahla lethu Washington DC. Indawo lezi America Washington DC. Uqonda ukuthini uDC?
Yo.
Ngicabanga wakho uqonda ukuthini uDC?
Hayibo imani. Yo.
Washington DC. Uqonda ukuthi District of Columbia phela yabo. Okay, best advice would give about umjolo ngathini?
Bathande ngesibindi
Ngenhliziyo.
ngenhliziyo.
Okay, wena best advice would give about umjolo?
Mina ngithi ngajoli nje ayike advice enganinika yona.
Ne.
Ayikho.
Okay, iphi message ufuna ukuyithumela manje to ex yakho? Ngathini kuyona?
Ngisamthanda man. Hayi.
Usamthanda?
Ngisamthanda.
Aha.
Umjolo wami yabo abakaze bengihethe.
Oh wena bayethana.
Yeah.
We ghost fine. Wena yini ongafisa ukuthi uyisho manje ex yakho?
Yo. Hey.
Awuna ex ne?
Kunto engayikhuluma ne-abo angina export ngempaqinisile.
We. Okay, but first please shout out to Instagram la bantu bangakufollow khona. Yo Instagram.
Thandi_Milanzi.
Thandi_Milanzi. Wena mamina?
Mandisa_Mazibu.
Mandisa_Mazibu. Okay, but first ngiyabonga kakhulu nibe nosuku oluhle ne. Awe. Yo, what up? It's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll cover some figure to ban it's a show. Okay, our first, so thank you for covering videos of our first. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yabonga our first ngbekezelela angifuna ukunithembisa ukuthi lukhulu liyeza. Always.
What I'm saying, I'm a psych.